Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you how to compress an image file using this pillow library. Before starting, we have to install this pillow library. So pip install pillow is a snippet of code to install this library. So actually, I have already installed in my laptop. This pillow library is nothing but it is a powerful Python library used for image processing tasks such as opening, manipulating and saving different image file formats. It is very essential for working with images in Python projects. So let's import this library. Let's import this image from pillow library. So capital I must be there. So let's import this. Next we have to define the file path. Okay, that is input image file path. So I want to compress this file. So let's check these properties. Here you can see it is showing 2.88 and here you can copy the location also. So I'm just copying this location and let's paste this. Make sure you write the extension also and also use double slashes. Let's run this. Now the image file is successfully opened. If you want to check whether it is opened or not, you can check it. In underscore img dot show. So it is opened here. You can see temp file. So let's close this. First we have to compress. Okay. In underscore img dot save. First we have to save this. I'm using the same path. So we'll highlight compressed. Next we have to give the optimize equal to true and then quality I'm giving it as 60. Let's run this. Next I'm printing image let's run. It is showing that the image is compressed successfully. We can check at this path. In the download section it will be available, so you can check it there. Here you can see compressed underscore funny dog. So we can check here. Before one is 2.88 MB. Next, after compressing, we can check it is reduced to 2.44 MB. Okay, so this is how you can compress any image file. If you like this video and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to more Python tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you.